चलो राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स, एक काम करो, राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स, ये जो एंगल है which is made by the reflected ray and the normal, what is that angle called as? Yes, correct, that angle is called as angle of reflection. ठीक है, now the question is reflected ray makes an angle of 60 degree with the normal. तो ये जो reflected ray है OB, it is making an angle of 60 degree with the normal. That means angle of if the angle of reflection is 60, angle of incidence कितना होना चाहिए? Hello, can you hear me? Is my voice audible? Yes. I was asking a simple question. If the angle of reflection is 60, how much should be the angle of incidence? It should also be 60. So the sum is very easy. Answer भी अपने को पता है, but importantly we have to present the sum properly. We have to solve the sum properly with some good steps. तो अब ये steps कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग, ध्यान दो. In each and every sum that we will solve today, in all the sums हमको ये diagram तो बनाना है. First we will draw a mirror. वो mirror को हम लोग नाम देंगे PQ. Then we will draw the incident ray. उसको हम लोग नाम देंगे AO. Then we will draw the reflect. उसको हम लोग नाम देंगे BO. And end में we will draw a normal, जिसको हम लोग नाम देंगे ON. We will mark the angle of incidence. We will mark the angle of reflection, and then we will look at the question. And then let's write the given. Now given may be the first two lines are going to be same for all the sums. ठीक है? The first line will be in the figure, line PQ. That is this line PQ. It represents the mirror. So line PQ is the mirror. AO, ray AO. Can you see in the diagram? Ray AO is the incident ray. Then ray OB. Obviously, you can say this ray OB. It is the reflected ray, and line ON. This line ON is the normal. तो बच्चों याद रखना, इसको हम लोग रे बोलेंगे, इसको भी हम लोग रे बोलेंगे, लेकिन मिरर को और नॉर्मल को हम लोग रे नहीं बोलेंगे, हम लोग लाइन बोलेंगे. ठीक है? So the first two lines will be in the figure, line PQ is equal to mirror, ray AO is the incident ray, ray OB is the reflected ray, and line ON is the normal. Now the given data is reflected ray makes an angle of 60 degree. मतलब ये वाला एंगल दिया है 60 डिग्री. मेरे को है ना बच्चों, ये एंगल का नाम बोलो ना, ये एंगल का नाम हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे? यू नो हाउ टू नेम एन एंगल. कम ऑन, राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स, ये एंगल का नाम कैसे लिखेंगे? एंगल, कम ऑन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द एंगल? हाँ, आर इज द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, लेकिन ये एंगल का नाम क्या लिखोगे? BON, BNO, ONB, कैसे लिखेंगे नाम? Come on, come on, come on. I think in maths you know how to name an angle. Yes, it is called angle BON, या तो आप लोग लिख सकते हो NOB. नहीं, BNO is wrong. हमेशा O बीच में आना चाहिए. तो या तो तुम लोग लिखोगे BON, या तो तुम लोग लिखोगे NOB. So angle N, which is the angle of reflection, it is given to us as 60 degrees. And we are supposed to find angle AON, that means the angle of incidence. तो हमको ये वाला angle ढूंढना है, angle of incidence. ठीक है? Now the solution of this sum is going to be very easy. The first step in the solution is you will write that according to the law of reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are equal. बराबर? तो according to law of reflection, I and R are equal. अब ये जो I है ना, I, वो एंगल का नाम है एंगल AON. तो I के बदले मैं लिखूंगा एंगल AON. बराबर? R का तो वैल्यू ही दे दिया है डायरेक्टली 60. तो R का वैल्यू इज 60 and that's your answer. I wanted the value of angle AON. I got the value of angle AON as 60 degrees. So let me conclude this sum by writing the final statement. The question was, what angle will the incident ray make with the angle, with the normal? My answer will be the incident ray will make an angle of 60 degrees with the normal. See, sum बहुत easy था. R was 60, तो I भी 60 होना चाहिए because I and R are always equal. लेकिन it is important to write these steps. Only if you write all the steps and if you draw this figure, you will get full 2 marks for which the sum comes. तो मैं वापस से रिपीट कर रहा हूं, आज जितने भी सम्स हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे बच्चों, सबसे पहले तो दिस डायग्राम विल बी सेम फॉर ऑल. द फर्स्ट 2 लाइंस ऑफ द गिवन विल बी सेम एंड बाद में हमको क्वेश्चन देख के लिखना है क्या दिया है, क्या ढूंढना है और हमको सॉल्व करना है. चलो बच्चों, आई एम गिविंग यू 2 minutes of time to copy this sum. No need to write the question. क्वेश्चन मत लिखो, सिर्फ सम कॉपी करो एंड डायग्राम भी फटाफट अभी पेन से बनाओ. कम ऑन, योर 2 minutes स्टार्ट नाउ. कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन, राइट लिटिल फास्ट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे सम्स करने हैं आज. You will draw the diagram और अभी फिलहाल ऐसे ही डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो, रफ भी चलेगा. Yes, Dhruvi, you can take a screenshot provided you are honest enough to solve it later on. And once you finish solving, let me know by writing yes or done in the chat box. Come on. All the sums are going to be of the same type, so it's going to be very easy. तो अभी मुझे है ना पहले से ही हैंड रेज चाहिए. नेक्स्ट सम मुझे कौन हेल्प करने वाला है? कम ऑन, रेज योर हैंड्स, लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर रेडी टू हेल्प. No problem, Shreya. I got it. Yes, Ayushi, rough diagram chalega for now. All right, students, I think time for us to proceed further. And this is again a solved example that we are solving, which is on page number 4. Chalo, let me ask. Yes, I think Hitesh raised his hand first. Hitesh from Vilepale, are you there, Hitesh?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Hitesh, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Can you see the question in front of you, Hitesh?
Yes, sir.
Read.
What is the reflected ray make with the mirror if the angle of incidence is 40 degrees?
एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस बच्चा दिया है 40 डिग्री. हमको ढूंढना है रिफ्लेक्टेड रे का एंगल, मतलब हमको ढूंढना है एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. बराबर?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या लगता है, ओरली बोलना, इफ द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज 40, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन कितना होगा?
So the angle of reflection will be also 40 degrees.
सिंपल है सब. तो अभी अपने को आंसर तो ऑलरेडी पता है. द ओनली थिंग इज वी नीड टू राइट द स्टेप्स. स्टेप्स के लिए वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द फिगर, राइट? सो लेट मी ड्रॉ दिस. बेटा, व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस PQ?
Sir, line PQ is the mirror.
Okay. What is this ray AO called?
The ray AO is the incident ray.
What is this line ON?
Line ON or NO is the normal.
And what is this ray BO, beta?
BO is the reflected ray.
Reflected ray. Look at the question and tell me which angle is given to us. कौन सा एंगल का वैल्यू दिया है?
The value of angle BO is given and we have to find out the value of AO. Angle AO.
ना सी प्रॉपर्ली, कौन सा एंगल दिया है?
Okay, we have to find out the measure of angle BO. Sorry, sir.
See, we have been given angle of incidence, मतलब ये वाला एंगल हमको दिया है 40 degrees. In other words, angle AON is given. बराबर? आई एम
Yes, sir.
सपोज टू फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, मतलब हमको ढूंढना है एंगल बी ओ एन। तो ए ओ एन दिया है 40, हमको ढूंढना है बी ओ एन। समझ में आ रहा है बेटा हितेश?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इस चलो हेल्प मी विद द गिवन। मैंने क्या बोला था? फर्स्ट लाइन, फर्स्ट टू लाइंस। लाइन पी क्यू इज व्हाट?
Line PQ is the mirror,
व्हाट इज रे ए ओ बेटा?
the incident ray,
व्हाट इज लाइन ओ एन?
the normal,
एंड व्हाट इज रे बी ओ?
reflected ray.
Okay. Then which angle is given? Write the name of the angle. Tell me the name of the angle rather orally.
AON,
AON कितना दिया है बेटा?
40 degrees.
और हमको कौन सा एंगल ढूंढना है?
Angle BON.
BON. चलो बेटा हितेश, tell me according to the law of reflection, I और R में relationship क्या है?
Angle of incidence, reflected. Reflected.
नहीं, both are equal के not equal?
Hello, sir.
Hitesh, angle of incidence and angle of reflection, are they equal or not equal?
Sir.
Hitesh, can you hear me, Hitesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am asking angle of incidence and angle of reflection, are they equal or are they unequal?
No, sir. They are both equal.
They are both equal. बराबर? Angle of incidence का वैल्यू कितना दिया है यहाँ पे?
40 degrees.
तो यहाँ पे angle of incidence के बदले I will write 40 degree. Angle of reflection का नाम क्या है बेटा?
BON. Angle BON.
Angle R के बदले I'll write angle BON. उसी का तो अपने को आंसर चाहिए था, तो मिल
Yes,
गया.
sir.
Right? Look at the question. What angle will the reflected ray make with the mirror? तो अभी तू आंसर क्या लिखेगा? Look at the question and then frame the answer, final answer.
The
Come on.
reflected ray,
Makes an angle of.
the angle made by the reflected ray and the mirror is 40 degrees.
Superb. Or I can say the reflected ray makes an angle of 40 degree with the mirror. I hope people have understood this sum.
No.
I will not, want you all to waste your time copying this sum. Fatafat iska screenshot le lo. Very good, Hitesh. Thank you so much for helping. Take the screenshot. Come on, come on, come on, fast. Okay. Chalo, now let me increase the difficulty level of the sums. ठीक है? Next sum. अभी ये जो next sum है ना बेटा, वो हम लोग exercise में से लेंगे. Exercise is on page number 115. Question number 7 are the numericals और उसमें दो sums हैं. And trust me, both the sums are ऐसे तो easy, लेकिन पहले वाले से थोड़ा सा difficult होगा. The question is, if the angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degree, what will be the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? Okay, let us first understand the sum by looking at this figure. So let me have this figure here. Okay, now look at the question properly, bachcho. Angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degree. देखो mirror ये है, incident ray ये है, और हमको ये वाला एंगल दिया है, angle between the mirror and the incident ray. So that means this angle is given to me as 40 degree. Once again I am saying, if the angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degree, that means the angle between the mirror and the incident ray, matlab I am talking about this angle, it is given to me as 40 degree. Chalo, in the chat box, answer me the name of this angle. Come on, what should the name of this angle be? Yes, Shreya, correct. Very good. Awesome. सब लोग करेक्ट लिख रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. इट कैन ईदर बी एंगल POA या तो मैं बोल सकता हूं AOP. तो ये वाला एंगल बच्चों दिया है हमको 40 डिग्री और हमको ढूंढना है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस और एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. अच्छा, श्रेया फ्रॉम घाटकोपर has already given me the answer. श्रेया is saying इसका एंगल 50, इसका आंसर आना चाहिए 50 डिग्री. बट मेरे ख्याल से आंसर तो टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दिया है ना. तो श्रेया, आई होप यू आर नॉट कॉपिंग एंड टेलिंग मी. यस श्रेया, आर यू कॉपिंग? नो. वेरी गुड. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. हाउ डू वी सॉल्व दिस सम? अगेन गिवन में ना पहले तो सब सेम रहने वाला है. इन द फिगर लाइन पी क्यू इज द मिरर, रे ए ओ इज द इंसिडेंट रे ओ बी इज द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, लाइन ओ एन इज द नॉर्मल, और एक एंगल दिया है. कौन सा एंगल दिया है? ए ओ पी, और उसका वैल्यू दिया है 40 डिग्रीज. सो ए ओ पी इज 40. नाउ टू फाइंड, we are supposed to find the angle of incidence. That means angle AON, and we are supposed to find the angle of reflection. That means angle BON. तो हमको angle of incidence और angle of reflection मतलब AON और BON का values हमको ढूंढना है. So let's start with the solution. चलो, again I want somebody to help. Let's see who can help. Advika from DN Nagar. Advika, can you help me? Advika, सुनाई दे रहा है
Yes,
बच्चा?
sir.
Hi Advika, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Advika, tell me, what is this line ON called?
Normal.
What do you mean by the word normal? How much should be the angle of the normal?
So 90 degrees.
So, matlab, which angle is 90 here?
Right angle.
Nah, but tell me the name of the angle, Advika.
PON. Angle PON.
Awesome. Angle PON is 90, correct? So I'll
Yes,
write
sir.
here in the solution, angle PON is 90, and that angle PON is made up of two angles. अगर आप सबको दिख रहा है तो PON is made up of this angle and this angle. तो मैंने क्या किया है, PON को ऐड कर दिया है, AOP plus AON. I hope ये सबको समझ में आया है. Write in the chat box yes if you've understood. Advika, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So what I've done is I have divided this PON into two parts. PON is AOP plus AON. चलो now Advika, tell me the values. PON का value देखो कितना दिया है?
So it's 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Because ON is the normal, that means PON का value is 90. AOP का value कितना दिया है बेटा?
So it's 40 degrees.
It's 40 degrees. And AON, what is this AON beta called?
The angle of incidence.
Angle of incidence. So either I can write I or I can just write angle AON जिसका value हमको ढूंढना है. ठीक है? Beta, now tell me Advika, if I want the value of angle AON, I'll shift 40 here. So if I shift 40 here, addition will become what?
Subtraction.
क्या मिलेगा? What should I write here in the next step? Tell me.
50. 90 minus 40 equals to 50.
90 minus 40 is 50. So angle AON का value is 50. चलो Advika, angle of incidence तो मिल गया 50. What should this value be then?
So it should be 50.
It should also be 50. Why do you say that?
Because the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection is of the same measure.
Okay, superb. According to the law of reflection, I is equal to R. So if I is 50, then R is also 50. That means angle PON is also 50. So Advika, look at the question. What will be the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? And accordingly, tell me the final statement.
The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection will be 50 degrees.
Will be 50 degrees. Superb, Advika. Chalo guys, take a screenshot fast. Ishan from JP Nagar has already given me the answer of the second sum. So I believe Ishan should be ready to help me with the second sum. बराबर ना ईशान? ठीक है. Now similar sum is also in the solved example. Solved example में देखो बच्चों, यही same type का sum है. In fact सब कुछ same है. Only this value is different. Angle between the mirror and the incident ray is 35 degree. Then what will be the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? See, you will understand this better by looking at this figure. Angle between the mirror and the incident ray. This is the mirror. this is the incident ray. So angle between the mirror and the incident ray is given to me as 35 degrees. So what will be the angle of incidence and what will be the angle of reflection? चलो फटाफट चैट बॉक्स में आंसर लिखो, जल्दी 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 जल्दी. Shreya from Ghatkopar writes 45. Shreya, your answer is wrong, beta. 55 is the correct answer. Chalo, who will tell me the steps? Who will help me with the steps? Come on, raise your hands, jaldi. Chalo, let's go with Chembur branch. Chembur, Eamon. Am I pronouncing your name correctly, beta? Eamon?
So it's Imon.
Imon. Okay, Imon. Which school are you from, Imon?
OLPS.
OLPS. Okay. So, Imon, tell me the given. Come on.
Okay, so the given will be line PQ is equal to mirror.
Superb.
Ray AO will be incident ray. Ray OB is reflected ray. And line ON is normal.
Superb, Imon. There is one angle which is given. Tell me the name of the angle, beta.
Sir, AOP. Angle AOP.
Okay. And we are supposed to find the values of which two angles, beta?
Sir, angle of incidence and angle of reflection.
Tell me the names.
Sir, AON, angle AON and angle BON.
Superb, Imon. Imon, tell me, ON is the normal, right?
Yes.
So what should be the measure of angle PON?
Sir, 90 degrees.
Now, I'll divide PON into two parts. Tell me which two parts.
Sir, AOP and AON.
Okay, so angle PON is angle AOP plus angle AON. Now, looking at the figure, help me substitute the values. Angle PON, what is the value?
90 degrees, sir.
What is angle AOP?
AOP is equal to 35 degrees.
Angle AON is what we need to find, right?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me, if 35 goes there, it becomes?
Therefore, sir, 90 minus 35.
90 minus 35 हो जाएगा, बराबर? How much
Yes.
is 90 minus 35, Imon?
So 55.
55. So angle of incidence is 55. Chalo, help me with the angle of reflection, Imon. What should I write?
Sir, according to the law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
So
Therefore,
angle BON is also equal to
55 degrees.
Chalo, now look at this question and tell me the final answer.
Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal to 55 degrees.
Very good, Imon. Superb. Excellent. Chalo, screenshot. Jaldi. Jaldi karo, haan. 2 more sums to go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Chalo, next sum. Now, next sum is again from the exercise. Sum number 2. इसका आंसर बहुत लोगों ने पहले ही दे दिया था. Trust me, students. This sum is also of a similar type. खाली एक फर्क है. क्या फर्क है मालूम है? दूसरा वाला एंगल दिया है. देखो. दूसरा वाला एंगल मतलब I am talking about this angle. They have given me the value of this angle, 23 degree. देखो question में, if the angle between the mirror and the reflected ray is 23 degree, so angle between the mirror and the reflected ray is 23 degrees. What is of incidence? So I am supposed to find the angle of incidence. But simple logic है. अगर angle of incidence ढूंढना है तो पहले तो angle of reflection ढूंढना पड़ेगा, because उसकी ये 23 के बाजू वाला angle यही है. So once I find the value of R, finding I will be very easy for me. So let me see how do we write the steps given. In the figure, line PQ is the mirror, AO is the incident ray, OB is the reflected ray, ON is the normal, and they have given me the value of this angle. Come on in the chat box now. Name of this angle should be. Come on. What should be the name of this angle जिसका value दिया है 23 degrees? All right, students, very good. It should be angle BOQ, या तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ angle QOB. So BOQ is given to me as 23 degrees. यहाँ पे there is a mistake. 40 लिखा है, लेकिन it should be 23. ठीक है? I'm supposed to find the angle of incidence. फटाफट angle of incidence का मुझे नाम बताओ. जल्दी angle of incidence का नाम बताओ बच्चों. AON. So I'm supposed to find the value of AON. Solution. अभी क्योंकि वाला एंगल दिया है ना, now look at this right angle BON. Sorry, QON. QON. मैं अभी ये वाला right angle लूंगा. Angle QON I am dividing into two small parts. कौन सा दो small parts है? फटाफट chat box में आंसर दो. QON का दो छोटा छोटा parts कौन सा है? QON का come on. Now I get the correct answer. QON का दो छोटा पार्ट्स कौन सा है? One is this QOB, या तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ BOQ, दोनों भी सेम है. And the other one is this BON या तो NOB, जो बोलना है बोलो. मतलब I'm talking about this angle and this angle. See once again, angle QON का दो छोटा parts is, one is this, second is this. So one is angle QOB, मतलब ये वाला, and another is angle BON. ठीक है? Now it's very simple. Now I'll put the values. QON, ये जो angle है QON, उसका value is 90 because ON is the normal. BOQ उसका value is 23. तो BO के बदले मैं लिखूंगा 20 and BON हमको चाहिए. It's R, correct? So that means I'll get BON as 90 minus 23. That means BON is 67 degrees. तो R का value 67 degrees है. तो definitely I का भी value 67 होगा because according to law of reflection, I and R are equal. So the final answer is the angle of incidence of the incident ray is 67 degrees. Come on. Fatafat. Take the screenshot and then we will go for the last sum for today. Last sum, I'll just take 2 minutes more. That's it. And then we'll be done for the lecture. Now this is one solved example that we are solving. A slightly confusing sum, but trust me, it is very easy. If the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is 90 degrees, then what are the values of angle of incidence and angle of reflection? Siddhi from DN Nagar has already given me the answer, but still I'll be explaining how we get the answer. Angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is 90 degree. But जो incident ray है ये वाला, reflected ray है ये वाला. So the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray, मतलब ये वाला पूरा angle दे दिया है हमको. In other words, they have given me the value of angle AOB. ये AOB का value हमको दिया है 90 degrees. I am supposed to find the value of I and value of R. So I is question mark and R is also question mark. Given again, the first two lines will be the same as we've been solving. They have given me the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray. That means angle AOB, या तो BOA भी बोल सकते हो. AOB is 90 degrees and I am supposed to find the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. So solution, because angle AOB is given, I will start with this angle only, angle AOB. अब मैं क्या करूंगा पता है बच्चों, AOB को है ना मैं दो छोटे एंगल्स में डिवाइड कर दूंगा. One is this AON and another one is this NOB. In short, I am dividing this entire angle AOB into two parts. One is this I wala part, one is this R wala part. So I will write AOB is equal to angle AON plus angle BON. Now here what I do is, I put the values. AOB is given to me as 90. Angle AON is nothing but I. Angle BON is nothing but R. देखो यहाँ पे AON is the angle of incidence and BON is the angle of reflection. So 90 is I plus R. But we know बच्चों, according to the laws of reflection, I and R both are equal. Now क्योंकि I और R दोनों equal है, मैं क्या करूंगा मालूम है बच्चों, R के बदले भी मैं I लिखूंगा, क्योंकि दोनों सेम है ना, तो R के बदले भी I can write I because both are equal. So I get 90 is equal to I plus I. Now we know I plus I is 2I. So 90 is equal to 2I. So if I substitute and if I get the calculate, I'll get the answer of I as 45 degrees. And we know if I is 45, then R is also 45. So again, it was a slightly different sum, but it was a very easy sum. Chalo, take a screenshot and then note down your homework. Your homework is you will solve all the 6 sums that we solved in the class today. You all have taken the screenshot. So please, bachcho, notebook mein one time you have to solve. If you solve it, trust me, you will never forget these sums. And here we have finished this entire lesson, reflection of light. I hope the lesson was easy. Right? Write in the chat box if it was. Say yes if the lesson was easy. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. Raina ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, sir, I'm online.
Okay, I'll make you the host, ma'am, and then I'll leave the meeting. Bye,
Yeah,
bachcho.
sir.